We set out towards the hottest spot on the planet, the LUT desert, which is mostly inaccessible due to scorching temperatures beyond human endurance and the lack of resources like water. A vast plateau covered with dark volcanic rocks that are claimed to have no life on its surface. In this hell where the planet is cooked by the sun, we will shoot images that we have never seen before. After a difficult 2-hour journey into the heart of the desert, we finally approached the central point. This place has one of the lowest altitudes in the LUT desert and is the second hottest spot. After this point, if we are going to stay outside for more than 2 minutes, no part of our body should be exposed, including our hands. The first thing we did as soon as we got out of the vehicle at around 12 o'clock was to measure the temperature of the ground. Our infrared thermometer showed 66.9 degrees Celsius, 66.3 degrees Celsius, 68.2 degrees Celsius. After only 2 minutes of laser thermometer measurement, the device gives an error due to high temperature. Our immersion thermometer, on the other hand, shows 69.6 degrees